Buddy, Chase, I think you're going to have to put Daddy's pop away. Yeah, you're starting to get rough with them. You're going to move them again? You actually put one upside down. Wow. Did you notice? Are you having fun? Oh, you noticed. All done? Is it perfect yet? Oh, that one was tipped over. Okay. Oh, it was upside down. Okay, I think. Oh, no. Okay, no shaking. All done. All done. Gotta put them away. Put them away. That's where they go. They go in the box. No, Chase.